Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Excuse me. Today is a Sunday, and we are gonna fucking start again, you bell end. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a Sunday. Bit of a special one. We're going to meet Steve for some breakfast, and then we're off up to a place called Compton Abbas Airfield, which is owned by Guy Ritchie, the movie director, and they've got a vintage car show on there today, I believe. I hope they have. They advertise one. But the beauty of today is that when we meet Steve for breakfast, all being well, we should be meeting up with somebody else from Somerset, Mr. Icedidi himself. Yes, the Richard Stilgo lookalike. I don't know if he still does celebrity appearances as a double. Hopefully Nick will make it down, and what I will do, I will turn the camera off now because you've seen this road a million times, and I will put it back on, hopefully for Nikolai's arrival. See you shortly. Here he is, fresh in from Somerset. It's Mr. Icedidi.
Well, your back one's on.
Eh?
Your back one's on. The top box is closed.
Ah, yeah.
And so's your pannier.
Is the back one recording though?
No. Doesn't look like it. Hang on.
BMW assist. Hang on.
No, there's no flashy light.
Would you mind pressing one's top button for me?
Do you want me to press your buttons?
Oh,
there we go. How was it for you?
Honda assist, is it?
Yeah.
Right then.
£100 call out.
Where are we going?
I don't know, because mine's not reading my router. Where is it?
Love it. See, we told you it was Faffage, didn't we, Nick?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Well, stupidly, I came here on Google Maps.
It's been a lovely day, so cheerio.
yeah. Thanks for the brekkie. Right, we good?
Yeah.
Yep. I'll follow on behind Nick.
All right.
Got me wallet, got me jacket done up, that's it.
Got your bike keys?
Yeah. Apologies for you as you're having a look at a fucking Honda behind me, but...
Yeah.
Oh, two Hondas.
Two Hondas.
We could call this... Oh, come on. We could call this the Honda Hoon. Yeah, in your own time. When you're ready. Oh, my life.
You obviously didn't get the memo last week that we're all changing bikes.
No.
I said if I was going to go back to a Tourer, I think it would have to be an RT again.
Yeah.
Purely because it copes with my fat bastard weight as much. I think she's going to let us all three of us out.
Yeah. Good lad.
Yeah, but you do know that if you go out and buy an RT, you're going to blame me for it.
No, we're due a change. I've had this. What have I had this?
Way too long.
April, wasn't it? I got it.
Yeah. Months.
Yeah. Well, that's justifiable then for a change.
Yeah.
So then, for everybody that's listening, as you can see, we have the Hondas behind us. I'm trying to lose them, but they keep following me.
Keep following.
Bastards.
If you want to get ahead, get a Honda.
We're going to have to do that photo though with the three hats, right?
Shameless channel plug-in. Yeah.
Can we please start moving? I can smell pigeons.
Hill assist.
Oh, look at him, look, hill assist.
He'll start. Has that Honda not got that?
Doesn't need it. Doesn't need it. It's got a back brake.
It's not got cancelling indicators either.
I'll make a point when we go round here. I will indicate and I won't turn them off. See how long it stays on.
Well, I can't see them because you've got your brake lights on.
That's one thing I don't like with this.
So has yours not got self-cancellers?
This?
No,
Yeah.
well, it has. It's got Nige.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, this one has.
I have.
The two things I wanted was self-cancelling indicators and cruise control.
And you've
neither.
got cruise control. Oh, you've got neither.
No.
But you did get a pigeon, so...
Yeah,
I did get a pigeon, yes.
Stop.
It smells like it's nearly done now.
So
Yeah, we Dick Dastardly.
just to let everybody know what we're on about with the pigeon, Steve was on his way down this morning, and the pigeon, a big fat bastard wood pigeon, has decided to embed itself between his forks and smack into his radiator.
It was nesting.
Which has now put a lovely dent in it.
No, I didn't even touch that indicator.
Very
Nor did I.
good.
Try mine's off.
Yeah, I didn't switch mine on.
Prevention is better than cure.
Absolutely.
Oh look, they're braking. Is there a speed van down here? I wonder. Ah, look at that, look.
There he is.
Fucking arsehole.
Well, we're coming off the next junction anyway, aren't we?
Absolute assholes. He's just. You can stay there, you fucking hate you.
He's going to follow.
Oh, good luck with keeping up.
Oh,
Oh, he's got a Range Rover.
drug dealer's car.
Look at that. Scrambler.
I do love those.
Those 1200s, though, they're really tall, aren't they? I reckon. Yeah, I'll get by him. You can't.
I can.
Right, you're clear, Steve.
Thank you.
We'll clear all the way. Get that four-seater sofa wound up.
Oh, there's so much nicer having that little support.
Having a bit of power.
I bet it is.
He hasn't got Scotty in the background going, "It's no good, Captain! I can't get that power!"
Need more power.
I've gone from something like 70 horsepower to 130, I think.
Yeah.
She can't give me any more.
I'm going for it.
Still clear.
Yeah, you're right.
Are you in?
He's in.
I'm
I
in.
think.
You're not feeling it?
Yeah. You have to wiggle it.
Wiggle it just a little bit. Oh, great.
You can see.
I get to look at a horse's arse now.
You can see why I'm preaching some mental pregnant.
I think we should do that one weekend. We'll have a Southerners outing and stay overnight somewhere.
Yeah.
Yes. I was thinking maybe the Plume of Feathers bunkhouse. Rent the whole room.
Oh yeah, because they've still got that, haven't they?
Yeah. And I
been
think
there,
there's
No.
they've got a 6 room now, I think, and you can rent the whole lot.
Yeah. And the beauty of that is, I mean, I've stayed there, don't tell any fucker, but I actually camped in a tent there. Pathetic idea, I know.
But you have video evidence of that.
I'm just thinking that's a nice ass for a horse. It's a GS. Are we going to get a nod? Watch.
I'm going to wave. Yeah.
Yes, and he looks like a Teletubby. He got a fucking camera.
He did,
up
yeah.
here.
Spanky wanky.
Right, let's have a look along this straight bit. Just remember there's an entrance on the right in the dip.
Lovely.
I'm going to have him. You're clear? Oh, car come in now.
Oh, clear.
Clear now.
Yeah, you're clear.
Clear, clear.
I'm through.
Bird in the road.
Yeah, watch it, Steve.
Coming from where?
Dorset flag, Dorset.
Yeah.
Is he allowed to fly
I was going
that
to say,
now?
I'm
Yeah.
surprised. I'm surprised Birmingham Council haven't been down to remove it.
Yeah, take it down, put a Palestine one up.
Still, we made it past the flag, safe and sound. It wasn't that dangerous.
I say.
What's that?
This is where we pull up at the gates and there's a sign up saying, car show cancelled.
Yep.
We don't care. Coffee, please. This can be a nadgery little fucker with that shit.
Oh, Honda Hill Assist.
Oh, look.
They look awfully busy.
It does look busy, doesn't it?
I wonder if they've got special area for bikes to park.
And I've got my frog tape
See,
lid.
is there space? There is, isn't there?
It looks like it, yeah. They're not. There's bikes coming out, and they're not telling us to go away, are they?
Let's have a look. Right, there's no space there. Oh look, CB1300. Very nice.
All 350 power valves. I do like those CB1300s, they are nice, aren't
Yeah,
they?
they are.
No, yeah.
Look at those adventure bikes up on the hill there.
Why not?
Oh, he's going to
Show offs.
He's going to go in there.
Up over the stones.
You want to push back there, Nick, or are you alright?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I might need a...
I've got clean gloves.
Yeah, that's right.
Right hand down. You're a bit close to the car.
Oh, yeah.
I'd run Steve over forwards a bit and then...
Stay when?
Bit more,
When?
bit more, bit more. Bit more.
Oh, yeah.
Do you?
All right there?
Yeah, do you?